Do you know the signs of high blood sugar? High blood sugar, a common condition, can escalate into serious health issues if left unchecked. It's pivotal to be aware of the symptoms in order to take timely action. This video will shed light on the 7 alarming signs of high blood sugar, from excessive thirst to unintended weight loss. Knowledge of these symptoms can be the first step in maintaining a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned to find out if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. Do you find yourself constantly reaching for a glass of water? When your blood sugar levels are excessively high, your kidneys go into overdrive to eliminate the surplus glucose. This process requires water, leading to dehydration and a persistent feeling of thirst. You might perceive this as an insatiable need for water when in reality, it's your body's way of communicating a potential health issue. So, if you're always feeling thirsty, it might be a sign that your blood sugar is too high. Are you visiting the bathroom more often than usual? When blood sugar levels climb, your kidneys put in overtime trying to filter and absorb the excess sugar. But if they can't keep up, the excess sugar is expelled from your body in your urine. Consequently, this will have you making frequent trips to the bathroom. This process can also lead to increased thirst. Another sign we discussed earlier. If you're going to the bathroom a lot more than usual, it could be due to high blood sugar. Are you always feeling tired no matter how much sleep you get? High blood sugar can be a sneaky culprit behind this. When your blood sugar levels are elevated, your body struggles to convert food into energy. This can leave you feeling persistently fatigued, like you're running on empty. It's not just about needing another cup of coffee. It's your body sending out a distress signal. So when you're constantly worn out and can't pinpoint why, remember this. Don't brush off constant tiredness, it could be a sign of high blood sugar. Are things starting to look a little fuzzy around the edges? It's critical to know that high blood sugar can lead to fluid leakage into your eye's lens, resulting in blurred vision. If your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be, high blood sugar might be to blame. Have you noticed that cuts or bruises take longer to heal? Elevated blood sugar can impair your blood flow and cause nerve damage. This results in slower healing wounds. If your wounds take their sweet time to heal, it might be high blood sugar causing the delay. Are you losing weight without trying? This could be due to high blood sugar levels. When sugar levels soar, your body attempts to burn off the excess, leading to unintentional weight loss. Unintended weight loss could be a sign that your blood sugar levels are too high. So, those are the 7 signs of high blood sugar. We've journeyed through the thirst that seems never to be quenched, the bathroom trips that become all too frequent, the fatigue that can feel like an anchor weighing you down, the blurred vision that disrupts your clarity, the wounds that seem to take an age to heal, and the weight that just seems to drop off unintentionally. Each of these signs is a red flag, a call to action to monitor your blood sugar levels more closely. They are the body's loud whispers, urging you to prevent health complications that could spiral from neglect. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, your health is in your hands.